Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
I tēnei rā, ka Mātakitaki koutou ki ngā kura e rua, ko ngā tama tāne o Heretaunga, me Tūranga-tāne ki te tākaro futupōro. They're pushing them back in their tackle. Oh, good behind. What was that? Tana with a beautiful pass. PJ Peavy going over for the try. Beautiful try from Heretaunga. Tūranga-tāne slowly creeping up to their try line, putting pressure on Heretaunga. But also good defense from Heretaunga as well to keep them back. Oh, try Tūranga-tāne. PJ. Very good player there. Panapa. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful running from Panapa Labour to get over their try line. Nice setup from Tana with their whana. Another whana from Tana. Oh, beautiful work. Oh, beautiful try from Heretaunga. Eli, nice hoppy from Eli to recover that ball. Oh, good running from Nehemiah, the proper Heretaunga. Vincent Kite, the captain. Beautiful work from Heretaunga there. Giving it out to the backs. Good tackle from Panapa Lambert. Oh, good try, Tūranga-tāne, the number 12. Eli Southwick. Oh, beautiful run from Eli. Heretaunga slowly creeping up to their try line once again. Oh, beautiful work from Heretaunga. Getting over their try line again. JJ for the line out. It's a rally. Lucky Vaku. Oscar Parisi. He's just come on. He's nearly scored. Heretaunga creeping up to their try line once again. See if Tūranga-tāne. Oh, JJ. JJ just a bit too strong there. Oscar Parisi, Mone Halafia. Eli Southwick. The speed of this guy. I think his brother's a bit proud. But having a proud brother moment right now. JJ. Oh, the speed. Beautiful running from these forwards of Heretaunga. Getting over the try line again. Full time. Beautiful game between these two schools. Very physical game. A lot of contact.
Everybody that I know. Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.